Your voice holds immense power. The way you talk can make or break your success. So, your success depends on how you talk. Today, we are going to discuss tips for to have a better conversations. Before that, let's discuss what are the barriers for good conversations. When some people talk, other people don't listen. Why is that? To make a good conversation with the people, we should overcome four barriers. What are they? Let's discuss one by one. First one, judging. Don't judge others when they speak. It's very hard to listen. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective. Second one, negativity. Negativity makes conversation painful. It's very hard to stay interested when talking to someone with a negative mindset. Third one, gossiping. Gossiping can alter people's opinion. So skip it during the conversations to keep your conversation more meaningful and positive. Fourth one, blaming. It is very crucial one. Don't blame others. It ruins the conversations. It leads to tension and stops meaningful conversations. So take the responsibility for your actions to keep the conversations meaningful. These are the barriers to good conversations so that you definitely avoid during the conversations. Now we are going to discuss the crucial part of the video, tips for to have a better conversations. It's not like making eye contact, using the body language, or use the non-verbal communication. It's all crap. Today we are going to discuss in a most pragmatic way. First one, a conversation requires a balance between talking and listening, which is often we lost today. People are constantly on their phone scrolling the reels, quickly shifting from sadness to motivation, motivation to laughter. They experiencing different kind of emotions just a minute. So this constant affects their ability to listen. To have a better conversations with people, maintain attention, avoid distractions, and allowing genuine connection and understanding. Second one, don't point out. Everyone has different kind of experiences. What works for you may not work for others. So avoid assuming that your perspective is universal. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective without pointing out them. Last one, the most important one, I'll make it very simple for you. If you don't know the answer, it's okay. Admit that you don't. There is no shame in not knowing things. It's okay to say that I don't know. The only shame is to pretend that we know everything. To sum it up, in talks, listen as much as you talk. Respect different kind of perspectives. Be honest even if you are not sure. That's how we truly connected. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Mastering English with Subhash.